There go the sirens finally.
That's pretty cool.
Hey Parker, you better get in the basement. This is right by up by our house. Parker, look out the north of the house. Shit, it is gonna touch.
You bring them to... I'll take them here. My truck is... I was gonna say, either that or West River. If you got it down there already. Yeah, if you don't mind, I'll just make it up there. Yeah.
What? Hey, what's the cop gonna do? Boy, look at it suck up though. It's not good though, that's a building. Hey Molly, you okay in there? Get out of where? Oh, it actually is coming this way. What do you think of that, Molly? God damn, that is right up by our house. What do you think, Molly? We are sitting at Highway Express about 6 blocks from our house, and that thing's coming down. I gotta drive up there, I think. This is like a half-mile north of Hazen. Yeah, this is live. It's Facebook Live. Facebook doesn't lie. This is right by your old house there, Lisa.
National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McLean County in south-central North Dakota, western Oliver County in south-central North Dakota, central Mercer County in south-central North Dakota, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cold Harbor to 13 miles south of Beulah, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Man, it hasn't even really moved yet. It's been just sitting there.
Hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
I'm driving to it. Molly, what's wrong? Come on, Doug. What are you so scared of? It's disappearing. Yeah, it's done. It went bye-bye, Molly. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, well, the funnel cloud is gone.